All right, so we're just watching Bitcoin versus the euro. It's February 12th, 11:25. Using Crypto Watch integrated with Kraken. And we're shorting. We are going short on margin. And let's see. It looks like it might have taken some of that trade. 7025. Yeah, it took 0.24 of that, of 3 Bitcoin. It should go back up there. But you can see I have it, the limit order set for 7025 euro 0.70, and it's resting at 7025.4. It's like, I mean, the exchanges know the price is going down, and they're just teasing. They're just messing. Oh, there it goes. Thank you. I'll take 0.04 Bitcoin. That was nice of you guys to give that to me before it drops again. And of course, that's solely based on speculation, of course, because it could keep rising. But we'll see right here, won't we? 7030. Okay, it's going up. Let's check the margin call. Margin level 122%. We're good. All right, good. No problem. Okay, it's not bad. It may look ugly, but it's okay. It's okay, because see up here, we've got the 24-hour volume, 7,765. Weighted average, 8737. And it's showing it in green, so it's gonna have the average investor thinking, oh shit, it's a turnaround. It's going to the moon. But we got a 35 to 26 standpoint right here. So that will be the end of this climb. My assumption. Once, I might hit this Bollinger Band, ricochet back Southerner, I don't know, whatever. You get the point. So right now we're just riding the Bollinger Bands. This is on a 3-minute candlestick. I don't know why I'm doing this. This is my brother. I was trying to teach him how to trade, and he has a very small account, so he got me into this sticky situation. Normally, you guys know, I don't take positions on anything less than a 12-hour candlestick view, which would indicate that it's above the halfway midpoint, but not all the way to the top. So this could very well climb up to this resistance. Here's 7,500. And that would not surprise me one bit. Especially with the 36. So if this price doesn't drop, and see that number just deteriorates and this price doesn't go anywhere or increases when this number is higher, that is a buyer's market. That's a strong indication that what you are seeing is not what is, if that makes any sense. I can't explain it. I'm trying. I'm sorry, but you either get it or you don't. We'll see. I'm expecting a turnaround, largely because we've got a pretty large offset right here. Huge bid wall right there. It's 22. So yeah, and then backed by, it's got a mountain. So a lot of opposition for it to increase in value, and the odds are in our favor if we are shorting Bitcoin at this moment in time. So we'll see how this pans out. Stay tuned. Thank you. Okay, this is another prime example of what I'm talking about. I've got an order, limit order, set to buy 300 Ether Classic versus US dollar at 27.97. 0. It's got as close as 27.97.1. It has accepted about 94 coins open. So it's an unfilled order, partially filled, remaining balance, remaining volume to be filled 205. So it's filled 94. And why it likes to just hang out at 1/10 of a penny above my limit order, it just dumbfounds me every time. Just not really. It's typical. They do this. So again, I don't know if you follow me, you know how I feel about these digital assets, right? Or I'm sorry, more or less the exchanges, because I see it that I'm not in competition with the currency valuation itself. I don't know any better way to say it. I'm up against the markets, the exchanges themselves. That's my competition. I have to outsmart the markets. I have to outsmart the exchange that I'm on, and be able to get the positions that I want at the price that I want without them doing this. I mean, come on, really? It doesn't make any sense whatsoever for the price valuation to not fluctuate of 1/10 of a penny when it's cannibalizing orders like this. It's filling orders, right? So why wouldn't it drop down? I don't get it. Maybe because they know it's going to increase in value and they don't want to give me my full position. Could it be? Or could it just be a conspiracy theory where I think everybody's out to get me? We'll see. But just this is also a special alert. Something is going on with Ether Classic. Ever since the Fibonacci whatever that I drew here, ever since it broke free from that restraint, I'll turn on my trades and you'll see. So I took, as soon as it broke through that line, I was like, sold. Okay, uptrend. Bought there, and then I don't think I ended up selling that one until here. But then I bought, no, I'm not sure what happened with that one. Anyways, so this morning, for sure I know, because I was awake. This morning I bought in here at, come on, stupid 15-minute candles. Okay, so here are my placements this morning at 27 something. Again, I bought in more, and I bought more. I stack, and then ultimately I sold it off here at about 28, I think. So it's pretty much made full circle, come back, and it's came back around, went up, it's come back down to the original sell-off point. So that's why I took my position, based on this temporary little line of resistance. See right there? So, plus, not to mention, the numbers don't lie. People lie. I say it once, I'll say it again. People lie, numbers don't. And when you have a 13,000 to 7,000, 2-to-1 demand and a supply, not only that, but a supply that is not full. You see how there's space, there's a gap up here? There's enough for probably 3 more offers. But down here, it's full to the max. 30,000, and then that's 19. So we got 12,000 versus 6. We got a 2-to-1 buy to ask, and yet this thing is deadlocked. 27.91. That's bull crap. Just drop down a tenth of a penny to 27.97.0. Take the rest of my 300 coins that I want to purchase on this position, and allow me to make some money, please. If they do this to you often, you just go here, replace order. I'm sorry, I'm messing with it. Scoot it up. Hit rebuy. I just see, but when you do that, you're subject to what just happened. And basically, it just wiped out the rest of my order because I got greedy and impatient. Which, if anybody out there actually, when you guys actually know me on a personal level, you will know that I am the most patient person in the world. I mean, I get asked questions all the time like, why didn't you become a doctor? Because you have more patience than I've ever had. Anyways, I didn't become a doctor or your dentist because I'm a Bitcoin trader. This is a lot more my style. Anyways, like you give a crap about me. I'm shutting up. Alright, this is just the last update on the update. So they cut me off here. That's all I'm going to get on that. Unless I take a new position out. Which I'm going to just wait and see. I'm kind of glad they did that because Easter Classic is shifty. It's real shifty at best. We're being at the bottom at the Bollinger Band. 15-minute. It could go either way. I mean, as you can tell, it's just Easter Classic is just a slow moving currency. I mean, even with volumes, offers, bids, and asks in the 20,000, 5,000, 30,000, total 27,000 to 20,000. It just doesn't move. It doesn't move at the speed that which I like. That's going to be more like this over here. Your Bitcoin, USD. This bad boy moves. Okay, there's my orders. Buy, sell. I don't have anything on the books for right now. Let's see. So let's see how I do that. Good idea. Buy low 8574, and then sell high 868686. So that's good, right? Buy low 8679 8679. Sell high 8735 8675. Buy low 833 8834. Sell high 8853 8835 8835 8874 8874. So I'm on a little tear here, not doing too bad with this minute day. I guess it's day trading. I don't know what you call it, but it's intense. Because remember, folks, this is 15-minute candles you're looking at, and this is 85.95, so we're around 8,687. So this increment right here is $1,000. We're talking 15 minutes, And in one 15-minute candle, it moved $1,000. I don't know about you guys, but there's not a stock in the world that fluctuates and gives you the opportunity to just exponentially increase your return on your investment than that of the Bitcoin. All right, enough for now, guys. You take care and be good. Oh, I guess I've got to give you an update on the BTC Euro situation. Looks like it's up as I expected it might be, and it's fine. You know, you can't win them all, but you can. Well, actually, I mean, you should be able to win most of them. Let's see. So we're going to be in the red here probably, and that's okay. That's okay. No big deal. No big deal. See, that's nothing. It's nothing. As long as we're over here, and we got plenty of margin level to play with. Cool. All right, we're gonna go run to the store real quick and get something to eat. It's almost midnight, so I gotta do the last beer run. Anyways, I'll check back with you on this when I return. All right. Okay, this is a little perfect time to show you. See how this candle just formed, right? Brand new candle. Get this out of the way. See, you have a countdown. Here's a countdown down here, right here. Okay, 15-minute candles just formed. Red, right? That being said, usually it's going to end up green. So let's see if it stays true. It's kind of it's coincidental, don't you think? That I'd say 75% of the time a candle starts out a certain color. Whenever it closes, it's the opposite. What do you guys think? Yeah, exactly. So we'll just watch this real quick, see what happens. I'm just curious. So 13 minutes left on the candle down here. Here, we'll make it easier. Less wait. 5-minute candle. So it's 3 minutes and 20 seconds. There it goes. Yeah, even better. Hey, works out for me. Thanks for proving me wrong. Anyways, all right, I just wanted to point that out. Something to pay attention to. But anyways, this gap, right? See, there's not enough buyers to meet the sellers. 11.7 back by 56.29. Yeah. The ship's sinking, Captain. So short the hell out of it and enjoy the fun. All right, I said too much. Good night.